Hi everyone, my name is Anderson Rodriguez and this is my review for Social Work 300. I took this course in the spring of 2018. It was a requirement for me. I feel like the time has gone by very fast since I started this course. I've learned many things throughout this class. One of the things that I've learned is how to push myself through very tiresome nights. I also learned how to be very resourceful, manage my time better, stay on top of my work. One of the things that I really started to do was communicate with my classmates. And one of the most important things I think I've learned how to do is how to follow directions. Most of these assignments had a template that you had to follow step by step, which really made me notice the details. Um, some of the things that we covered were scientific variables, different types of graphs, how to use them, how to make them more visually appealing, the proper way to insert them into documents. Um, we've also, I've also learned more about Google Docs and their entire platform. I learned how to use Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. I use Forms for my survey, Slides for my poster. The sheets I use to insert my data, and then that helped me to create drafts, and my documents were for my write-ups. All of these things usually were turned into PDFs, which is also something that I've gotten into the habit of doing. I feel as if this information is really relevant to anyone who's looking to be an employee in the fields of research. Though I am a political science major, I'm not following the traditional path, but I can definitely see the people who I plan to work with using this kind of information. Uh, this information hasn't revealed itself useful to me yet. Maybe one day it will. I wish that we could have studied concepts better. Also, I think in the beginning of the course, students should spend time playing around with Schoology and learning when things are located. Most of the assignments seem quite tedious and having to deal with a lot of repetition. I can definitely foresee most of the work in the real world be being done by computers. A lot of these things can just be entered and you can just get your outputs much easier. Even your graphs should be able to be made through some kind of software program. Overall, I think we've learned everything that we needed to.